nice little protein with some probiotics, naturally sweetened, made by All Max, really good. And yeah, so this is gonna be my pre-workout meal. I thought it'd be a good idea to show you guys what I'm gonna eat throughout the whole day. And this is basically first meal. So as with everything else in this day, I'm gonna put the macros down below, and then we'll calculate it at the end, guys. So stay tuned and see you at the next meal. All right, guys, here at Gold's, doing some chest. I got a little going on. Full day of eating. Threw a carb ion in my shaker cup right here. It's just basically 25 grams of carbs. So I threw in 2 scoops, 50 grams, and add that to my total. So let's get back to work. Alright guys, just getting home from the gym. Had a killer chest and shoulder workout. About to get a post-workout meal. It's currently 3:40. And about to go do a demo for All Max. So get this meal in real quick, and then we're gonna head out there. I'm thinking some protein cereal. So there you guys have it. This is gonna be my post-workout meal. I had 3 servings, as you guys saw, 96 grams. Each serving is 32. If this would focus. Yeah. Well, take my word for it. It's 32 grams a serving, 1 fat, 19 carbs, and 10 protein without the milk. So 3 servings, that's 30, and then a cup of milk, which is 8 more protein. So 38 grams of protein right here, guys. Add some cinnamon. And good. Usually I would throw in almond milk instead of regular milk, but as you guys saw, I haven't had that much fats throughout the day, and also I'm not in a point where I really need to be watching, you know, my macros that much. So yeah, regular milk it is. So this is a post-workout meal, guys, and stay tuned for the next one. Alright guys, here doing the demo at New York Sports Club, if you guys can see that. Haven't eaten anything since my cereal, so about to grab a bar at this NXT. Got my baby right there. So let's go get a bar, guys. What's going on, man?
What's going on?
Is Jose here?
Yeah.
Yeah, he is. I think I'm gonna pick up this Quest bar. S'mores. Macros are 8, 23, 20. Got my boy Jose right here. Hooked it up. If you guys ever need anything, NXT is where it's at.
NXT, anytime.
That's it.
#1.
Yep.
In Queens.
That's it. Look at this, all this lineup, guys. Say what up to my YouTube channel.
Hi, YouTube channel.
guys, just got home. Freaking starving after that, you know, little demo I did. Had my mom put some potatoes to bake for me while I was driving home. So waiting for that, and then I'm gonna make some eggs, hams, cheese. You'll see it right now. About to make it, guys. So just have some white potatoes in there right now. So. Alright guys, so here we have it. About to have this meal. I don't count meals, so I don't know, I just eat along, you know, as the day goes, fitting my macros accordingly. And yeah, so I got as you guys saw, this is 300 grams of white potato, two large eggs, 3 servings of egg beaters, 1 serving of the ham, which is 2 ounces. Got some ketchup, got 1 serving of butter in here as well. A little bit of milk, I didn't count it, it's just, you know, it's just a little bit. And a good old glass of water. So about to down this, guys, and then, you know, get back at the next meal. I think I calculated my macros. I'm at like 32 fats, I don't know, like 300 carbs, 150 protein, so I still got macros left over. It's currently like 9 o'clock, so stay tuned, guys. We got still some macros to fill. Watching some YouTube, guys. Guess it's time to get some more macros in. Alright guys, here's pretty much what I'm gonna finish my macros with. Before I grabbed this, I pretty much had like 15 fats, 125 grams of carbs, and like 30 protein or something like that. So this is pretty much gonna finish off my macros. Most of the protein is actually coming from these light cheese sticks, which have really good macros actually. It's about 2.5 grams of fat and 7 grams of protein per each one. So it's around 21 grams of protein right there, guys. Got some 2 yogurts, 6 grams of protein each. Has 25 carbs each as well. A banana, like 30 carbs. And these crackers, which is about 20 grams of carbs and like 3 grams of fat. So there you guys have it. That's pretty much, you know, what I'm finishing up my macros with. I'm gonna just snack on this while I edit up this video, try to get it up as soon as I can for you guys. Hopefully, you know, you guys got some ideas of what I eat, what you guys could possibly be fitting your macros with. But yeah, guys, at the end of the day, just track your macros. Be in a deficit if you're trying to lose weight. Be in a surplus if you're trying to gain weight. And yeah, guys, so, you know, as always, give me a thumbs up, you know, comment, subscribe, and until next time, guys.
Yeah, I gotta get used to that. Remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, man, give us a subscribe.